Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to do a site visit update. We haven't done this in a few episodes. I'm going to take you to my current job sites. I really wasn't in the mood to film until I just saw the PSEG crew roll up. We're at Plainview 2 right now, and they're here today to hook us up to the electric service. And before lunchtime today, we're going to have power hooked up to the pole, and that's going to make life so much easier. We've been dragging generators around just to get a heater going. You got to fire up the generator, plug in the heater. And it's 8 degrees right now, so I'm super excited about having power here. We're going to stop by Plainview 2, Hicksville 4, and share some other knowledge along the way. I'm so excited right now. We've got PSEG here hooking up the power, and as you can see, last time you were here, we were doing that Herowood episode. We've got all the siding up, the board and batten detail. We got all the trim work done. The only thing I'm waiting for is the stone. And as I mentioned earlier, it's in the single digits right now, but the weather's gonna break over the weekend, and Monday and Tuesday is gonna actually be in the upper 40s, lower 50s. So we're gonna get all that stone done where you see the exposed zip wall still on that side and that side. I'm gonna get the driveway carved out, the front walkway, really get the masonry going, boost that curb appeal. And I'm gonna get some pictures taken, and I'm gonna get this on the market. And once you have the outside looking 100% complete, I can upload some photos of some of my previous projects, kitchens, bathrooms, trim work, and really start to get the traffic in the door and hopefully get this thing in contract before I'm even done. And I'm gonna talk that to my friends right now, all right? I know you guys don't watch, but as my man Matt right here says, that's usually how it goes. Your closest friends and family are gonna be the ones that are the most reluctant to support and watch the channel. But it's funny because I'll hit these same people up and be like, hey, I got this project, I'm short 100 grand, 200 grand, and the check will be in the mail before the ink dries for them to get down on the project. But when I'm going out to dinner and sitting down and talking about a recent episode or something that I'm doing on the vlog, they have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. What's with that? Our next stop is the North Bellmore build, and we're pretty much wrapped up over here. We got about a week of interior finishes left, grout, paint, touch-ups. I'm gonna have the wood floor guys here in about a week and a half to start the sanding and the refinishing of the wood floors. And as you can see, the house next door is wrapping up. So now that I'm gonna have that ramped up activity with people coming in the door over here, they're gonna look across the street, they're gonna see a brand new house, and it's gonna add a lot of appeal to the neighborhood as a whole. So let's go inside and let me show you what we have going on. I didn't want to do a whole lot of yapping inside. As all of you saw, there's a lot of things going on. We've got the fireplace being installed in the family room. We've got the painter on site doing all that prep work. The tile guy's on his way to continue the tile work. Bathrooms are coming together. The kitchen is in. We're ready to go. We're almost at that finish line. Well, if you can't believe it, neither can I. That's Hicksville 4, and despite the frigid temperatures, the rain we've had, the other setbacks that we've had, we've got this whole entire house up. Today's the first day of February, and we literally could have been sitting at home waiting for the weather to break, and instead, we're gonna have a roof on this place next week before I go on vacation. Our windows will be here soon, and before you know it, this will be looking very much like Hicksville 2. We modeled this house after Hicksville 2. We made some minor changes. I wanted a little bit more detail in the front elevation. I felt that Hicksville 2 was a little bit bland, and we fixed that here, but the formula is the same. We took an original cape, we extended the rear, we dormered over the top of the whole thing, including the rear extension. We're gonna have a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,900 square foot colonial, and this one's gonna fly. I mean, the last one sold quickly, and I think this one will go even faster. We're gonna have our double-story entry door here, twin windows on either side. This stair is gonna get pushed back. This is gonna be your entry foyer. Just like Hicksville 2, we've got an open concept here, living room, dining. Over here with the dining room, living room over here, kitchen across the back. You're gonna have sliders right there to the backyard. You got a pantry, you got another closet. This right here is your dining space. And over here, much better than Hicksville 2, we've laid out the guest suite on the first floor. We've got a full bath here, we've got a bedroom over here. Your basement steps are gonna be going down right here. And upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Obviously, these old stairs are gonna come out. And please pardon the mess. But we've got 4 bedrooms up here, 1, 2, full bath, 3, and that's your master suite right there. And it wraps around all the way this way. Master, walk-in closet, full bath in the back. And basically, this whole area right here is your master. Right here is your laundry. So we checked all the boxes here, made those necessary tweaks from Hicksville 2, and I'm feeling like this one's gonna be a much better finished product. Oh man, my nose is running, my eyes are tearing. I'm running to one job site right now, just got a crazy phone call. I have an inspection later on today, and of course, being Friday, I've got Friday prayer every Friday, so always a hectic day on Friday. But I want to thank all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Next week, we've got a special episode for all of you. I'm going to share some of my insights as to how I select my projects, my investment properties, flips, renos, and so on. So thank you once again very much for watching, and have a great day, everyone.